Swatia everyone, and thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Venum Elite Khaki Black headgear for sparring. The price was just over $113 Canadian, and they were all roughly in that same price range. So just excited to see this. There wasn't too many other videos online about this, so just going to do an unboxing. As always, came in an Amazon package. Very tightly packed down, as always, and with the nice salt. Alright, there we go. Okay, so there we have it. It's open at the back. Your instructions here. Yeah, seems to be one size fits all. So let's try it on. All right, yeah, actually, that's pretty good. That's seems to be well covered. I feel like my ears would be okay in this. Yeah, no, this is a good it's a good model. I'll just show it close up there. So it's Venum with a U, and yeah, it closes at the back. Nice design in the back, handmade in Thailand, as always. All right, well, thanks for watching. Kokum krap.